add birthday reminder. First of all, select your contact that you want to as a birthday reminder. Then you can see the add birthday. So now you have to select his or her birthday. I am selecting. Then go to your calendar and then press on these calendars. Then you can see the birthday. You have to enable it, share by content, press on done. It's almost done. Now next setting is you have to enable the notification for calendar. Make sure it's enabled. So go to your setting and press on notifications and find the calendar apps. This one, you see mine is off. Enable it. Then again go to apps, find the calendar. Now you can optimize the notification or event 2 hours ago or 3 hours ago, like that. That's it, simple, it's done. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.